I'd like to show you how to log into our math program so that you can complete your quick checks every day. So every day you're going to watch a lesson that I created. You're going to use your workbook to practice, and then you'll log on to what's called SAAVAS so that you can show me that you understood what we learned that day. So you log in just like always. And instead of going to Schoology, you're going to click this icon that says SAAVAS on it. All right, now you're going to click right here. It says Envision Florida Mathematics 2020 Grade 3. If you're in second grade, it says Grade 2. Okay, so this is the only class that you're enrolled with in for math. Okay, now your assignments are under the red box, Classes. Now I gave everything a due date in December, just in case you don't have a chance to sign on and do it, but you want to try to complete them the week that they're assigned. So these are the quick checks. You're just going to click the quick check that's labeled with the lesson that we completed that day. And then you'll answer 4 or 5 questions to show me that you understood our lesson. This is also where you're going to take your math tests. They'll be assigned here also.